Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to take a look at the market here. We're going to touch on the S&P 500. We're going to touch on the NASDAQ as well, and I'm going to go over some specific levels here that you're really going to want to pay attention to for this coming up week. And I really think that you're going to get a lot of value from watching this video, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end. And before we get started with this analysis video, what I want you to do is visit us here on the home page, and you're going to see everything that you're going to get when you sign up today and join the premium membership. You have that opportunity today, and you're going to also get an opportunity to see what other people are saying about the membership. These are real traders who are getting results inside the membership, and they're getting results just like you want to be getting. So when you join today, you're going to have the opportunity to join and get results just like they're getting, because you're getting instant access to the profitable winning trade alerts, the same alerts that they're talking about in their reviews and their testimonials. So when you join today, you're getting instant access to that. And the other thing is, if you're sick and tired of losing money in the market, the market is booming, and if you're sick and tired of watching other people make money, then you need to do something about it, because at this point, it's not your fault if you haven't been successful. It really isn't your fault, but it is going to be your fault if you don't actually do something about that. When you're given an opportunity, you need to make that change, and that change that's going to make that difference for you in your life in trading is going to be joining this premium membership community, because these alerts are going to give you the opportunity to make money in the market on a consistent basis. And that's what it's all about. It's about consistency. It's not about getting rich overnight. If you're looking for a get rich quick thing, then you need to look for something else, because this isn't going to be the service for you. But if you're looking for consistent gains over the course of years and months, then you need to sign up and join the premium membership community. So let's take a look at this chart here. And what I want to point out is we've got really bullish action. Okay, this is very bullish action. We've been calling for this breakout for a really long time. Okay, for a really, really long time. You can go back, watch the videos we did back here in March and February. We called for this breakout. So now let's focus on the recent action. Okay, so we've got this resistance here. Well, it was resistance. If I can get this tool working. And here it is right here. Here's that resistance. It was there. Do you see those two touches? Here's another touch. Do you see that touch? Here's another hit before we eventually broke over it right there. So that's going to be the near-term support. That level is right around 27.90. Okay, that's going to be the support level that if we do get some kind of a dip, that's going to be the buy zone that you want to be looking for. Now, as far as, kind of the recent action, well, first I want to point out this trend line. This trend line started back here. Really, really nice. So if for some reason we get some kind of a dip, even down into, 27.30 on the S&P 500, that's going to be a buy zone, because if you look at this uptrend line, started here, several bounces against it here, bounce here. Do you see this hit? Are you seeing how many hits it's gotten? This is a really key trend line here. So that's going to be a level that you want to be watching for. And as far as resistance levels, we don't have really much resistance. We have this previous all-time high that we made back here in January, but it only hit there once, and then we just kind of went straight down from there. So when you get a level of resistance becomes stronger the more times it's hit. So as you can see, this level got hit many times, several times, before we eventually broke over it. So that was a key resistance break. But right here, we only have one hit, maybe 2 days that got hit right there. So this level of resistance isn't really that strong. So we don't have a lot of resistance above us, but we do have a lot of support below us. So I'm going to touch on the NASDAQ here. Pretty similar action. I'm going to point out the trend line that we have right here. Very similar action to the S&P 500. We've also got a pretty nice support level right here, right around this level, okay? Obviously, we kind of broke over it here, but you can see there's just a lot of action around this level, and that level on the Qs is 171. You know, we had some resistance here and there, a lot of trading here, sideways trading here. We came in, used it as support right here, and the cool thing is it matches up perfectly with this nice uptrend line right there. So right around 171, 169. If we get a dip, this is going to be a massive buying opportunity, but who knows if we're going to even get that opportunity anytime in the near term, the way that it's going. It doesn't really look like that, but you have to be prepared regardless, because nobody has a crystal ball in the market. I don't have a crystal ball, and I make winning trades. You know, Warren Buffett doesn't have a crystal ball. You know, you just have to play with the odds. So we've got a gap up here on the NASDAQ. As you can see right up here, this was last week, or actually the week before that, right here where we gap down. So that gap is likely going to fill. Whether it fills, you know, now and this week currently, or if we get a dip and then it fills later, remains to be seen. But eventually that gap is going to fill. So are you sick and tired of watching the market boom? You know, we're heading almost up to all-time highs, and you've got nothing to show for it. You're sick and tired of watching other people make money in the market while you're sitting here and you've got no gains to show for it. Well, it doesn't have to be that way, okay? I'm going to be honest with you. It doesn't have to be that way. There is another way. And the other way is when you get access to the tradinganalyst.com, you're going to get instant access to the easy to follow real-time trade alerts. And these are pre-researched by me always. And these are buy and sell alerts that are sent via text message. So you can trade from anywhere with exact entry and exit parameters. When I buy something, I'm sending you a text message. When I sell something, I'm sending you a text message so you know exactly what to do and when to do it. And this is going to give you the opportunity to start making money right now. Not 6 months from now, not a year from now, but right now you're going to get the opportunity to make money in the market and to get your first result within 48 hours. And this is going to give you the opportunity to use a proven system, right? I've been in this game for over 7 years, and I've developed this proven system that works in up markets, in down markets, and it's proven to work. And this is going to save you time because you're not going to have to go over a bunch of charts. You're not going to have to read a bunch of news articles or watch CNBC or anything like that. All you have to do is have your cell phone and be ready to trade, and that's all. And you can trade from anywhere. It's going to give you the opportunity to trade from anywhere because these alerts are via text message. So you can trade from the road, at the office, at home, from the bathroom, whatever you want. You're going to be able to participate in these trades. And the goals here for these alerts and the service are about 8 to 10 winning trades per month. And the goal is 100% to 500% return per trade. And the goal for the annual returns is $100,000. And that number is very realistic when you're taking these kinds of trades. And in addition to that, you know, you're not just getting these easy to follow real-time trade alerts that are going to allow you to make money in the market. That's a value of $2,997. You're also going to get access to the options masterclass, so you can learn a simplified approach to options and allow you to hit the ground running and make money right away. That's a $997 value. You're also getting access to the exclusive Millionaire Trader videos, so you can get inside the head of a profitable trader and get a deeper understanding of the market. That's a value of $997. You're also getting access to the professional trading watch list, so you can come prepared to the market every single day to make money. Because let's be honest, if you're not coming prepared, then you're preparing to fail, okay? So you need these professional trading watch lists if you want to make money in the market. And that's a value of $597. bringing it to a total value of $5,588. But you don't have to pay $5,588. You can get started today for $699, just $699, and that's going to give you access for 12 months of the annual membership, so you can start making money right away in the market and get your first big result within 48 hours. And I just want to warn you guys, this special offer is ending soon, okay? We don't always do this much of a discounted price for the annual membership. So if you visit the page and it says sold out, then I'm sorry, but you've missed it and you're not going to be able to enroll. And by waiting to register, you risk losing your spot, and you also risk having to pay the much higher rate that it's going to be raised to, okay? Once the capacity is met, that's it. 0 people will be allowed in, so you need to register today. So here's what you need to do right now. You need to click the button below this video and fill out the registration form. Then you're going to be able to log into the private members area, and then you're going to watch the member welcome video. Then you're going to get started with the training material, and then all you have to do is get ready for the trading alerts once the market opens. So scroll down below the video today when you sign up and join, and you get instant access to everything listed here. And you're going to scroll down here and you're going to click this button right here, add to cart at 85% off. And then you're going to visit the checkout page. This is the secure checkout page, and you're going to enter your name, your email, create a password. Don't forget to enter in your phone number, because that's how you get the text message alerts. And then you fill out your billing information, or you can check out with PayPal, clicking this button over here, and then you're going to be able to complete your checkout process, and you're going to get instant access to everything that we talked about today. Most importantly, you're getting instant access to those real-time trade alerts that are going to allow you to start making money in the market right away and get your first result within 48 hours. So go ahead, fill out the checkout page, and I look forward to helping you grow your account. I'll see you next time.